there is no Kagra today. Luckily, chalo, let's shoot the intro fast. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day and a new video. So, as we did 1 minute mug lava cake, for the people who voted on Instagram, what was left was the 1 minute mug cookie. So here we are, and I can't wait to share this recipe with you all. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for further notifications, and like, share, subscribe and enjoy the video, and I hope you all try it. So let's go. Take a microwave safe mug, add 1 teaspoon melted butter, add 1 tablespoon brown sugar, add 1 tablespoon white sugar and mix. Then add 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon at a time. Add vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon milk and mix well till well dissolved. Finally, add the chocolate chips, the main part of the cookie, and mix well. Ready! Time for microwave. So we put it in the microwave at high power for 50 seconds and we wait. Dun, dun, dun. It's worth the wait. Hallelujah. And done. Yay! Time to eat. But first poke in a knife to see if it's cooked properly, and then it's all yours. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try it. The Kagro's back, but I'm not gonna stop because it keeps coming. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment below if you'd like to see any more recipes, and check out the playlist Baking with Yazzie. I'll link it over here, and I made similar recipes which you can try at home during quarantine and lockdown. And I'll see you guys next week with another video. Wait for bloopers. Holy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Peace.